Pig farming in Kenya presents a fascinating picture of contrasting realities. On one hand, it's a sector brimming with potential, boasting the title of the fastest-growing livestock segment alongside poultry. Driven by a rising domestic demand for pork and a shorter production cycle compared to ruminant animals, pig farming offers a lucrative opportunity for income generation and food security. Statistics indicate a national pig population exceeding 1.2 million, with the western region holding the dominant share at over 40%. In 2020, Kenya produced approximately 25,800 metric tons of pig meat, a significant increase from the 14,400 metric tons recorded in the previous year. Over the past decade, pig meat production has fluctuated, with the highest level achieved in 2015 at 26,000 metric tons. Kenyans consumed an average of 13 kilograms of pork per person annually between 2016 and 2020. This figure is projected to double by 2030, driven by urbanization and evolving dietary habits. However, beneath the promising facade lie significant challenges that hinder the sector's full potential. Traditional, small-scale farming practices are widespread, often characterized by inadequate housing, limited access to veterinary services, and dependence on unreliable feed sources. This scenario results in lower productivity, vulnerability to diseases like African swine fever, asp, and inconsistencies in meat quality. The good news is that these very challenges present a compelling chance for young Kenyans to enter the pig farming arena and make a significant mark. According to Farmers Trend, a platform dedicated to agricultural news and insights, there's a growing demand for high-quality pork produced through modern, biosecure farming methods. This demand stems from a rising health consciousness among consumers who are increasingly opting for leaner protein sources. Before embarking on a pig farming venture, aspiring farmers should carefully consider several critical factors. Water availability. Pigs require a significant amount of water, approximately 10 to 50 liters per day. Adequate water supply is essential for their health, growth, and overall productivity. Housing and hygiene. Proper pig housing is crucial for their well-being. Clean and well-ventilated pens prevent diseases and promote healthy growth. Feeding. Balanced nutrition is key. A combination of commercial feeds and locally available feed options ensures optimal growth and development. Healthcare. Regular vaccinations, deworming, and disease prevention measures are vital. Consultation with veterinarians is essential to maintain herd health. Market research. Understanding market dynamics, pricing, and distribution channels is critical. Identifying potential buyers, processors, and value addition opportunities is essential for success. I hope this video gives an insight of pig farming in Kenya. Thank you.